Hi friends, this video shows how to connect Google TV streamer 4K device to Samsung Galaxy A16 mobile phone and browse content and watch movies and shows. See, I will show you how we can set up this, what are the components required, how we can connect all these components together. See, these are the components required: Google TV streamer 4K device, Samsung Galaxy mobile phone, Pi box video capture unit, USB to USB Type-C adapter. This is a remote of this Google TV streamer, HDMI cable, power cable of Google TV streamer. See, here we need to connect this adapter, USB to USB Type-C adapter to video capture unit. Then this HDMI cable we need to connect to backside of this video capture unit. Let me connect video capture unit to mobile phone. After that, in mobile phone we need to install one app. This is the app, USB camera app. We can install this app from Google Play Store. Here I have installed two USB camera apps. Both will work. In this video I will be using this app. Tap on this icon, tap on OK. So if you are seeing blank screen, you can just press any button on the remote. See now I can browse. Next I will show you the settings of this app. Tap anywhere on the screen, tap on the settings icon. See, we can change resolution, HD, full HD, frame rate also we can change, video format, flip settings, brightness, contrast, saturation. So these things we can adjust. Let me close this. If you want to take a screenshot from movie or show, you can use this button. See, saved picture. If you want to record a movie or show, you can use this video record button. See, record started. If you want to stop, you can again tap here and stop. Okay, so this way we can connect Google TV streamer 4K device to Samsung Galaxy A16. You can try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.